Need to replace the grease tray on your Pit Boss KC combo. People call it the grease pan or the drip tray, and it's the part most owners ignore until it causes a problem. On this grill, grease management is a three-piece system, and if any of it stops draining, you get flare-ups and an overheat code. We'll walk it in clean technical diagrams to see the repair from angles that are hard to catch on camera. About 20 minutes with a Phillips screwdriver. Let's get into it. Step 1. But first, power off, cord unplugged, and everything cool to the touch. Then, we can work. And cool matters more than usual here, because you're about to handle a tray full of old grease. Step 2. Understand what you're looking at, because it's 3 separate pieces. There's the grease tray that sits under the body and catches everything. There's the bucket that hangs off it and holds what drains down. And on this grill, there's also a separate tube that drains the gas side, which only matters if you have the griddle fitted. Step 3. Take the bucket off first and empty it before you do anything else. Pit Boss asks you to check this bucket often and after every single cook, which tells you how fast it fills. Step 4. Now the tray itself. It slides out from under the body, so support it as it comes because it will have grease sitting in it. Bring it out level rather than tipping it. Step 5. Look at what came out. These fail by rusting through at the low corner or by warping so badly that grease pools instead of running to the drain. Hold it up and look along it. If it doesn't slope to the outlet anymore, it isn't doing its job no matter how clean you get it. Step 6. With the tray out, clean the path it drains through and the underside of the body above it. That's where the buildup actually starts. And it's the part nobody sees. Step 7. Slide the new tray in on the same rails and push it all the way home. Then, check that it sits with the outlet as the low point. A tray that goes in crooked will pool grease in the wrong corner, and that is exactly the fault you're trying to fix. Step 8. Hang the bucket back on and check that the outlet actually lines up over it. It sounds obvious, but a bucket hung a hole out of position drains grease straight down your patio instead. Step 9. If you run the griddle on the gas side, there's a second drain to check. That side has its own tube that carries grease down, and it clogs the same way the main tray does. If you don't have the griddle fitted, you can skip this one entirely. Step 10. Before you cook on it, prove it drains. Pour a little water into the tray at the high end and watch it run down and out into the bucket. If it pools anywhere on the way, the tray isn't seated right. Now, let's make sure it's working. Pour water in at the high end and watch it run all the way out with nothing pooling. Then, check the bucket is hanging square and sitting under the outlet. And after your next cook, look again, because you should see grease in the bucket rather than anywhere else. Pass all of these, and this repair is finished. 2 things worth knowing. First, why does this matter so much? Because grease is what causes the 2 problems people blame on everything else. Pit Boss lists an overheat code that comes from a grease fire or excess fuel, and flare-ups come from the same place. A tray that isn't draining is a fire waiting for a hot enough cook. Second, how often should you empty the bucket? Pit Boss says after every single grill session, and to check it often on top of that. It is the highest frequency in their whole cleaning table, and that is not an accident. 2 things keep this working. First, empty the bucket on schedule rather than when you remember. It takes 10 seconds while the grill is cooling, and it prevents the entire problem. Second, every time the flame broiler is out for cleaning, look at the drain path while you're in there. Grease that has gone hard in the channel is what stops a perfectly good tray from draining. That's it. Everything we used is linked in the description below. If this video helped you out, please hit like and subscribe, and check out these other videos. Thanks for watching.